Yeah, nigga, you gonna know what some real dances is like just a minute, nigga. Yeah, this is a new dance they doing in the clubs. Yeah, you don't know nothing about this. Yeah, nigga. Alright, that was just a little bit of my dancing, y'all. Now I'm gonna show you to my true nigga, Mama Flood. She gonna show you what dancing is really like. It's gonna be like in your face, nigga. Just like, bam. It's like, you ain't ever seen nothing like this. What the fuck was that? Do you think I listen to that shit? No, I don't. That is black music. What the hell? Who just bumped me? What the fuck? Who was that? Oh shit, Master Chief. Oh my god. What the fuck? Did you just touch me, nigga? I do not think so. Just wait till I get out my gun. You just wait. Let me get out my clip, nigga. Oh my god. You know what it's like to die? I'm about to kill you. Bam, nigga. How you like that? Yeah, I just killed you, bitch. Yeah.